Today I thought I'll speak about what's actually beneficial for the diabetics. Is it the honey, jaggery, sugar or zero calorie sweeteners?
Okay.
To analyze that, we'll have to compare the above available options based on glycemic load, calories, effect on glucose control and their role in managing diabetic symptoms. Honey has a medium glycemic load around 8 to 12 depending on the variety of the honey. It has 60 kilocalories per tablespoon. Honey also causes a slower spike in blood sugar in comparison to plain table sugar or jaggery, but it still raises the blood sugar significantly. Thus, it should be avoided by the diabetic. Jaggery, on the other hand, has a high glycemic load around 70 to 84. It has around 60 kilocalories per tablespoon. It also causes a rapid spike in blood sugar, making it unsuitable for the diabetic. But honey and jaggery does contain antioxidants, phenolic compounds and vitamins and minerals which is beneficial for overall health. Even the plain table sugar has a high glycemic load which is around 65 to 75. It has 50 kilocalories per tablespoon. It can be detrimental for blood glucose control in diabetics and also contributes to insulin resistance. So what should a diabetic exactly consume if sugar, honey and jaggery can be problematic? The answer is simple. They need to consume zero-calorie sweeteners like stevia, sucralose and aspartame. Zero-calorie sweeteners has a low glycemic load, a value equivalent to 0. It contains no calories. It does not affect the blood sugar levels. Hence, it can be extremely beneficial for the diabetics. But people belonging to the generation Gen X and also the boomers think that natural is always better than artificial. Snake venom, scorpion stings, earthquakes and landslides are all natural but can be extremely problematic and fatal. So I urge the full-blown diabetics to incorporate zero-calorie sweeteners into their diet, stay in a caloric deficit, incorporate resistance training and also optimize doctors prescribed medications. Hope this message sinks in and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते